Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create custom member permissions and site role on your Wix website. Let's get started. So in order to do that, you just need to head over to your Wix dashboard, and then from in here, you can see this left sidebar. So just scroll down until you reach the settings right here. So click on the settings, and then from in there, it will direct you to the settings of your site. Now what you need to do is to just scroll down until you reach the site member settings. So click on this one, and then once you have clicked on it, you can see your site member settings, which is to sign up and login security, member privacy, and in here you can see the member page permissions. So click on this one, and then once you have clicked on it, you can see this permissions right here. So for example, you then click on this add new. Then you can add a new member role. Then the role name can be something like manager, for example. Then you can also add in a description and also add it with the role color. So for me, I'll put include light pink, then click on Save Role. So in here, you can set which stage members with this role have access to. So in here, I have here one option, which is a private member page. So only the private members can be accessed through here. So click on Save. Then once you have done that, it will redirect you to another site, and then you can see another few more settings as well. So in here, as you can see, it has been saved. Now you can also view all role permissions. Just go to the page permissions right here. In here, you can see that only private member page can have access to the manage variates here. So for example, you want to add some members, or you can add to have more member-only pages, and head over to the Wix website editor. And then from in here, you should be able to see some more options. So just click on this pages and menu. And then in here, you have the members area. For example, it's at another private member page. And then from in here, we can actually click on this one. And then let's just wait for this to finish the loading process. And once it is finished loading, you should be able to add in here agreement the page. As you can see, it's been added. So from in there, we can actually just rename it as well. So just rename it however you want it to be. Let's just click on settings as well. And then let's rename it, for example, premium members. Then in here, as you can see, we can set this as well in here. So as you can see, it has been added. Now we can head back to site members, and we can add new members only page and add new member role. And you can add in here premium right here. Then you can add in the role color, save the role. Then in here, you can choose the page that you have. Now it will take some time for the newly created page to load. So just wait for this to finish loading. Then you can add this specific page in order to that specific permission. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply like, below, subscribe to this has way for people. See you soon.